You did crazy, oh, you ain't on the payroll. Can't be hanging with the same bros. We don't even go to the same shows. So please be quiet, I'm being polite. You did crazy, oh, you ain't on the payroll. Can't be hanging with.
Hello guys and girls, and welcome back. It's your boy Big John here. The at's at the bottom of the screen if you'd like to listen to my music. So it's all the relevant information I'll be speaking about in this video. And today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be teaching you how to set up the Neo indicator on your MT4 PC Windows version. Yes, it's a bit different when it comes to the Apple Mac version. Personally, for me, it's a little bit easier. I'm going to show you how to do both anyway. And this is the Windows version. So I hope you're going to like this one, guys and girls. Let's get straight into the video. Okay, so as you can see on my desktop at the moment, what I do have here is I have the KOT MT4 terminal. You can just go over to the KOT website and download the MT4 terminal by just downloading the MT4 for your PC Windows version. Most brokerages are going to have their own version. I've got an IC Markets one, as you can see, that I've just put there now. So you can have KOT, you can have IC Markets. It just depends on really what you want to do or which brokerage you decide to go for. So what you want to do next is you want to double click on the application. It will install onto your computer. The chart will look like this. Whatever there is, just close all of the charts barring one. So just leave one there. If you want to close the chart, you can just right click here and you can close any chart, any ones that are open. If not, you should have just one chart left over. That's fine. Then the next thing you're going to want to do, it will most likely pop up like this. You can open up a live account, demo account, whichever one. I personally suggest people to always start with a demo account. That makes so much more sense. You've got to understand that even though you invest into Forex, it doesn't have to pay you straight away. In a period of time, it will pay you, just like other things you do invest into, like a business. Don't come into Forex with the idea of whatever I spend in Forex, I should be getting back with immediate results. If you have that, you will most likely be part of the 90% of losing traders, because you've got to understand that the market is something you have to trade over a period of time to become more consistently profitable and for you to also have a better understanding of the market. So after you've done that, let's just say we go here, it will tell you to go into an existing trade account. If you have created one already, that's fine. You can do that on your website. Sometimes you can just easily do it on your MT4 mobile phone as well. If people are struggling with anything like that, please let me know. I will show a video on how to do that. That is no problem at all. Just let me know. Anyway, once you've got here, you put your login and your password in there. Once you've got to that period there, then the next thing you want to do is go over to the navigator, which is just up here, or you can press Control and N. And then what you want to do is right here, you can see I do have mine blurred out for personal reasons, but you have two accounts. You're most likely going to be in this account already. You'll be able to tell you're in the correct account because at the top right here on the left, it will say it. Of course, mine is blurred out, but it will say it just up here on the top left. Sometimes it does say it right here in the middle as well. Once again, mine's blurred out. This is why you can't see it, but it will be there just above here, a bar. Close this. Then you want to go to File. Then you're going to want to go to Open Data folder. Once you've gone to Open Data folder, you want to make sure you click on MQL4. Once you click on MQL4, then you want to go to Indicators. Once you've gone to Indicators, the file I have sent you through Discord or through email, called Neo version 2 at the moment. Of course, the version will change in time to come. You want to make sure you input that in here. So you just want to drag and drop it into here just like that. You can see Neo V2. Then the next thing you're going to want to do after that is you can close this. Once you're on the navigator's taskbar, you want to make sure you go to here. Just in case this is minimized like this, you can just press this plus. You want to right click on this area here. You want to go to refresh and the Neo V2 should appear. Once that appears, you just simply want to drag it and drop it onto your chart. Once you drag it and drop it on your chart, then you want to go to common. You want to go to allow DLL, and then you're going to want to now click right here where it says username, double click there. Sometimes it might be a bit troublesome, so make sure you double click right until you see this flashing. Once you see it flashing, you want to type your username I have given you in email or through Discord message. So let's just say it is for now John Smith. make sure you type it exactly how I've given it to you. So if it's a capital J, make sure that's there. And if there's a capital S, make sure that's there. You can change any of the settings here to make it better for you to be able to see the indicator at the same time. And then you can change the font size if you want to. There's alerts here as well, as you can see up here. And then you just go to OK. I'm not going to press OK. There is no need for me to do that. But then once you've done this, and you can set up your charts. If you want to change anything, you can go to properties. You can change all the different color schemes here in your chart, etc. if you want to. I have already done this. When I go over to this chart here, you can see that my chart is black and white because I've changed my color scheme. Straight and simple like this. There is nothing more for you to do. Once you've applied it to your chart, and I will even give you maybe a trade that I'm already in, so Neo will pop up. You will see here it says Neo is waiting for entry signal. That's perfect. That means the indicator is waiting to pick up a trade. And right now you can see that this is USD Mexican. I'm going to make a video showing some of the trades that have worked so far. You can see straight away this trade had hit TP, just like the GBP USD one I did show in a previous video and other videos as well, different pairs. Okay, so I know people are going to be asking as well, how do I know what to put the indicator on? When do I know a signal is going to come through or a notification? All of this type of stuff. For phase one, I've tried to make it as simple as possible just to streamline the process. I did say this in the previous video. You'll see it popping up right here on the top of the screen that I'm going to be putting a bunch of the trades here in this group here called the Neo trading area. So once you purchase the indicator, you will be put into this group. This group here is where I'll be telling you pairs to leave open on your chart. So you can see this day I told them to leave NZD CAD, GBP CAD, and Euro USD. There's nothing else you have to start looking for. You don't have to start wondering if this is going to happen and that. No, literally, I've tried to make this as simple as possible, the creation of this indicator. This indicator is a whole strategy, confluences upon confluences put together into one. This is why it's given such a simple, clean signal. And it was one of the major reasons of why I've taken so long to create the indicator. I didn't want it to be overcomplicated and too much noise on your chart. And you can clearly see from how it is, there isn't a lot of noise. So when I put any of the trades here, it's simple as day. You open these pairs on your chart. Then after that, I might tell you to remove some pairs because remember, I created the indicator so I can see if a pair might not be doing that. And like I've said, I'm trading these trades as well. It's not like I'm not trading them or looking to take them. So at the same time, I can tell you, please just remove this from your chart. You don't have to worry. There is not a chance that Neo will start picking up this trade randomly if it's not a trade, because I know from the confluences I've put together for the system to be able to pick up that even if I don't tell you to remove it, you will not get a signal from this trade because it's not meeting the criteria it should do eventually. And this is what happens. The Forex market is always moving. And this is why even with this indicator, you need to know trade management because the market is a live breathing type of thing and fundamentals can govern any type of trade at any given time it needs to. You want to make sure you save this template straight away. And at the same time, you want to put yourself in a position that once you saved it, you see mine is Neo V2, you just click on that, it reloads it to the chart. I would suggest you do that every 4 hours on the pairs you have open. I always check my Forex charts every 4 hours just to see what pairs that I was looking at, to see if they're ready, if they're not ready, if there's been a change, anything. So every 4 hour candle, for me, it's a major thing. So I always make sure I check my pairs there. So, and the indicator itself will be refreshed for me at those just to make sure it's okay. And that's pretty much everything I've covered up on this video. I will be doing a video on Apple as well. Hopefully I can get that one out for tomorrow, Sunday or Monday, basically. So if you're interested in purchasing the indicator or anything like that, join the Discord link in the description below on YouTube. Do not go to the comments. There is no need for you to go to the comment section. So do not go there. Just go to the YouTube description. There's my Discord link there. There's my name for my Telegram there. You can message me and I will forward you to my Discord. From there, you'll be able to direct message me and we will be able to sort out how you can get this indicator on your chart. So yeah, I hope you like this one, guys and girls. And on that note, I'm going to have to leave you. Peace.